one of the things that you're going to be able to do with the new version of the XNA tools is target a Zune for creating games. And this is a test version of the device that has prototype games running on it. So this is kind of what the experience could look like from a developer standpoint. So you can see here that you have thumbnail pictures of the games. The game that he showed in the keynote yesterday was Zari. So we'll click on Zari. You get a little kind of metadata screen here that shows some details about the game, and you also can flip through the game with the horizontal navigation like you can with your album art and everything, or your music in the Zune today. So you click play, and the game will load. So you can see here that the Zari uses the touchpad, or the Zune pad on the new device, the version 2 device. And it's really pretty slick and a really cool input from a developer standpoint when you're thinking about how you would build games. So some of the other considerations if you're a developer looking at how you might create games for the Zune, one, the touchpad. Obviously the version 1 devices don't have the Zune pad, so if you were creating a game and with the version 1 device in mind, that would be something you'd have to consider. Second, there's going to be APIs available for you to access the data like your music and your album art, so you could figure out a way to integrate some cool music playlists into your game so that you can rock out while you're playing your game. But then also thinking about how you might use the wireless functionality down the line when that becomes available, how you might create games that have a multiplayer component for folks you might be playing with other Zunes in the same room as you are. Correct. You have to have the tools in order to build games, obviously, for Zune, but also to share them. There is no way to share games on a broad basis in this time frame. It's really you have to be a member of the Creators Club and have the tools set on your computer and be able to tether the Zune to your computer every once in a while for it to link up with the tool set.